links and buttons in Weebly. We're going to keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a button on your page, label it clearly, connect it to a link, and publish your changes so visitors can start clicking right away. First, open your site editor. Head to your website's dashboard and launch the editor for the site you want to update. Give the page a second to load fully so the Elements panel and your canvas are ready. If you're working on a specific page, switch to that page now so you can place your button exactly where it belongs. Remember, the editor autosaves frequently, but changes only become visible to your audience after you publish. Next, drag the button element onto your page. You'll find it in the Elements panel on the left. Click and hold the button, then drag it to the section where you want it to appear. As you move it around, look for the blue guidelines that show valid drop zones. Release to place it. Consider the button's purpose as you choose a spot. If it's a primary action like contact or buy now, place it high on the page or near key content so visitors notice it quickly. Now enter your button text. Click directly on the button to edit its label. Keep it short, clear, and action-focused. Phrases like get started, learn more, or download work well because they set expectations. Make sure the text matches the destination. If the link goes to a pricing page, for example, view pricing makes that clear. Good labeling builds trust and improves clicks. After that, add your link URL. Open the button's link settings, then paste the full web address, including the HTTPS part. You can link to another page on your site, an external website, or a specific section if you've set anchors. Double-check for typos and ensure the link is live. If the option is available, consider opening external links in a new tab to keep visitors on your site while they explore. Finally, click Publish. Use the Publish button at the top of the editor to push your changes live. When it's done, view your live site and click the button to confirm it goes exactly where you expect. If something looks off, return to the editor, adjust placement or text, and publish again. A quick test on mobile can also help ensure the button is easy to tap and the link behaves correctly. That's all there is to it. Open the editor, drag in a button, add clear text, set the link, and publish. You're ready to guide visitors to the next step with confidence.